What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started.
Welcome back, guys. I welcome you back to our CorelDRAW tutorial for beginner day 23. So if you have not watched the previous tutorial, kindly check them on my channel. I have from day 1 to day 22. This is the day 23rd of the CorelDRAW tutorial for beginner. It's a comprehensive series for the beginners, and I believe after watching all the series, you should be able to handle CorelDRAW effectively and create a stunning graphic, right? So now in today's class, I'm going to walk you through some of the tools in CorelDRAW, right? So I'm going to delete my previous class, delete this. I'm going to delete this, then I'm going to select this and delete, right? So let's see how we make use of some of the tools like crop tools, knife tools, and virtual segment delete, and so on and so forth. So I will go to my home tab here. I will import a picture. Okay, so let me import these particular pictures here. Then I'll click on import. Right, so I can press P to centralize. So this picture here, I want to crop some area out of the picture. Let's say, for instance, I need this particular background to be cut, to be cropped out from the picture. So how do we make use of that? We have to go to our tools bar, and we right click on this and select crop tools. So when you select crop tool, the next thing you have to do is to, let's say we want to crop out only the face of this man here. So you have to select the area you would like to cut out. Then you can adjust it. Adjust. Right, then you press enter key on your keyboard. It's going to automatically crop, but in some cases, you see, when you crop and press enter, it's going to delete every other thing you have around the Corel work area. So it is advisable, if you are to make a crop tools, make sure that you create a new page entirely and try to crop whatever you want to crop there. Then you later import it back to your Corel work area. Right, so in another way around by which you can crop your image or your graphic in CorelDRAW. So let me give you another example. So in this case now, I'm going to press Ctrl Z to bring back everything. Then I will press space bar key on my keyboard to return to my pick tools. Then I'll go to my tools bar now. I will select rectangle. Then I will select the area I would like to crop. So I think I love it this way. Then I'll press Shift key on my keyboard and select the picture now. Then I'll have to go to my home tab and look for intersect. So I can delete this, and you see we have our image crop easily without losing the outside of the without losing anything we have the outside of the Corel work area, right? So you can use the first method or you can use this second method. This is depends on how far you are able to understand the tools and the concept of cropping in Corel Draw. So let me quickly delete everything and select all this and delete. Then now let me walk you through how you can use a knife tool in Corel Draw. So we can go to our toolbar now and select circle now. So I'll press Ctrl key down to make a perfect circle. Then I'll press P to centralize. Next, I'll go to my toolbar again and look for my knife tools from the crop. I'll click down, sorry. So I have to click down from crop and select my knife tool. So when you select your knife tool, then you take it to where you want to make a curve, then to make a cut. So you can see quadrant. So if you press Shift key down and draw, then you click once. You click. So you have it cut like that, right? So if you press spacebar key to return, you'll be able to see that your shape have been have been cut into two. So you can fill this one with another color and fill this one with red. So you see, so this is how you make use of knife tools in Corel Draw. It make it easy for you to make a cut. It's either you cut into equal size or you cut into different part of a stuff. So there are another way by which you can make a cut instead of using a knife tool. Let me give you a quick way by which you can do that. So I'm going to delete this now. Then I'll go back to my toolbar again. I'll select my circle. Then I'll press Ctrl key down to draw another circle. Then I'll press P to centralize. So one of the way by which you can do that, there are many ways. Then you have to go to your toolbar again, select your pen tools, then you make a path. Then you press P to centralize. Next, you look for Smart Fit Tools. Then you fill this and fill this. So we can change this to red and we change this to blue. So we can make sure and make delete of this. So we are still doing the same thing. This is just depends on how you are able to navigate and understand the stuff in Corel Draw. So this is how you use knife tools and how you use crop tools in Corel. So let's see how we make use of another tools under this segment. So right, so I'll click down now and select erase tool. So when you select eraser tools, it usually come with a property, right? So we have a circle. This is depends if you are trying to clean some area, some spot within the graphic. So it's recommend you make use of round or rectangle. This is depends on the kind of area you want to clean up. So let's say we select circle now, then we'll click on sorry. We cannot. The eraser tool require the selection object. Oh, sorry. So I have not select an object, so I have to select this. Then my eraser tools now. So let's say I'm going to clean up this area like this. So I don't most time use this type of tools. So right, so when you clean up, you have something like this. Let me zoom out and see what we can do here. So let me go back to my eraser tools again. So I will select this, then my eraser tools again. Now I will make use of a rectangle, square. Then I will just take it down like this. Take it down, then this. and like this. Oh, sorry, to Z. To Z. And go back to this format again. Okay, let's select this one now. Eraser tools. Then let me try and see this one here. Sorry, to Z. To Z. It's not okay. Let's try and see it on text tools. So I will select text tools, then I will type let me type Excel graphics, right? So we'll select the eraser tools now, and we can decide to do some stuff. You look at that. To Z. Let me zoom out. Okay, so my eraser tools, and I can decide to clean off this place, and I can decide to clean off this. Then I can decide to clean up this. Okay, so I can apply color. So this is another way by which you can use your eraser tools in CorelDRAW. So we are able to explain. I was able to explain eraser tools and crop tools and which one again? Let me see. Crop tools, knife tool, and eraser tools in CorelDRAW. So I hope you learn one or two things in today's CorelDRAW tutorial for beginners series day 23. So if you have not watched my previous class, check it on my YouTube channel. And also if you are interested to watch my advanced tutorial in CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, always check it on the channel. And also, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, click subscribe button now, and also remember to click on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload video content like this, you should be able to watch and learn one or two things in CorelDRAW. So thank you for watching my video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.